Hello guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transpose in Excel. So let's start it. First, open your Excel worksheet and select the area which you want to transpose. Now press Ctrl C and copy it. Then select the area where you want to transpose and then click on Write, and from the context menu, go for Paste Specials. A drop-down menu will appear. Here you can see there is an option of Transpose. Just click on it and click OK. As you can see, that's our data which is transposed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.